we are going to learn all things render, materials, and camera and those things. Okay, so let us start. So first, let us start with this object. Yes. Okay. So first we will go to material. For material, your shortcut key is MAT. So the material browser will open. Okay, this is the material browser dialog box. You can access this material browser dialog box from this visualize tab as well. Okay, here it is, material browser. Now by default we have only one material here, that is global material. Global material. And yes, for seeing the material, see, first of all, see, we have lots of material right here. You can see we have lots of material right here. Okay, yes, in the Autodesk library you can go to glass, you can go to flooring, you can go to liquid. What type of material do you want? You can set it from here. See, masonry, like that, metal, like that. Okay, so see, mirror. So what type of material you want? Suppose I want, let us say, let us take a metal. Okay, in the metal we have aluminum and lots of things. So let's add that. See, suppose you want any material to edit or something, you have to add it here. Suppose you want aluminum bronze satin, so you can see this one aluminum. Okay, you want to see the full name, you can increase that. Okay, now aluminum fabricated, I think something is written. Let me see, it is aluminum frame. Yes, anodized dark bronze satin. Okay, this one. So can you see this arrow? You have to click on this. Once you click on this, the material will be added here. Yes. Okay, now suppose I want this material. Okay, let's add some more material. Bronze satin, this one, brass satin, bronze satin, and brushed blue silver. So I've added this particular material. Suppose you want to apply those material onto this object, so you have to drag and drop like this, but you won't see any change. To see the change, you have to go to realistic. See, this is how the aluminum frame satin will work, will look like. Okay, exactly. If you want the bronze, you can drag and drop it here. Okay, if you want the brushed silver, you can drag and drop like this. Okay, suppose I want other like gold metal, so you can add the gold metal here and you can add it like this. So this is it. Suppose you want this metal, so this is totally depend upon you how you want to create. Now after this, suppose you want some more, you want to edit some more thing, so you have to go to this edit material option. Now you will have lots of options and lots of things which you want to do. Okay, see, you can change the color. Suppose you want a lighter color, you can change it like this. Okay, and if you want to add any image, that also you can add. Suppose I want to add this texture mat. Okay, suppose I am adding. Okay, image fade. See, as of now image is 50, let's say 50. Okay, I want the metallic one. Now close it. I edited this one only, right? Yes, now see how it is looking like. It is having a metallic. See, this one I edited and I drag and dropped here. So it's a metal, but the texture is this one. this texture, actually wooden texture. Suppose if you do 100%, so it will look something like this. 50%, see, 78%. See this image fade. If you increase it, the image will appear on it. If you decrease it, the image will not appear. Here you can adjust the glossiness. It totally depends upon you, how much you want. It is metallic, that's why. And don't do anything on it. That's it. Okay. So if you add different image, you can add different image as well. Suppose I want to add this particular image. Can I see the, yes, open this yellowish color, but it won't show any difference. So that is better. Texture matte. Okay. Texture matte is better. Okay. Now close it. So that's how you can edit. So you can edit each and every metal. Suppose gold metal, if I do it, go here, see in the gold metal, you can decrease the glossiness, you can increase the glossiness, to totally depends upon you. You can add image here. Adding image means the texture will be added, a texture will be added, but the color, the material will remain same. Okay, so this was better, so this will, I will add. Okay, after this, let us create a plane surface first, a big plane surface, as much you want. Okay, now go to material again, go to visualize and material browser. From here, go to flooring, actually. Go to flooring, yes, flooring. So let us see anything, which floor I want. Let us take this cork fine. Let us add this cork fine to, oh no, oh, this is better. Square brown or diamond rosette, let us see. Okay, let it be. I just want to teach you. After this, I will show you how to create new material. So, no, this is also not looking nice. Let me change it. Okay, marble we have. You can also drag and drop. Diamond marble. No, green marble. So I think this is better. This is better, okay, because it is simple. Okay, now, as of now, I'm putting the grid off. So this is looking nice. After this, can you see render to size? We have different sizes. As of now, I'm taking 800 cross 600 pixels. Very lower kind of image, okay, because it won't take that much time. In your case, you can increase it up to this much, so that totally depends upon you. After that, we have this just go to render to size. See, medium images library is not installed. Okay, we have to install it. You can install it. Okay, let me save it. See, let me open that, just a second. See, you have to install that thing. Okay, once you install that, automatically it will install. You can go to render to size. As of now, I am working without using this. Okay, that's not an issue. It will take some time to see the render image. See, this is how the render image will look. But the thing, you can see the means the quality of the image is not good. Why is it so? The quality of the image is not good because of its, what can I say? Because I had set very lower image. Okay, let us increase, let us zoom it. Now render to size. Now this is looking better. I have zoomed it a bit. See, this is looking nice. So this is the rendered image. See, you can see it's a metal, but a wooden texture has came here. Wooden texture. Okay. From here, we have, you can use no shadow. Okay. Yes. You can use ground shadow. So the shadow will show. From here, full shadow like this. Okay. Yes. So, sorry, no shadow. This one. I hope this is clear. Okay. Now, after this rendering, we have viewports, two vertical viewports. See, you can use two viewports here only. In the model space only, you can have two viewports. Okay. You can have multiple viewports. See, four equal like this. So click on this viewport and you can adjust it. Click on this viewport and you can adjust it. Click on this viewport and you can adjust it. So like this, you can show different, you can show different views from here. So one more option is there. Okay. So as of now, I'm going into a single viewport only. That's it. Okay. Yes, you can show to your client through this. Now, after this, so you can, suppose if I increase it, okay, I have increased a bit. Now render to size. Work without. I would recommend you to install that thing which is asking us. So it will take some time because I have increased the resolution. You can see this is looking a much better image. You can save it from here as well. Okay. Yes. So like this you can do. Now, after this, go to material browser. Suppose you want to create a new material. So from here you can go to this one, this material. From here, you can go to new generic material, new generic material. Okay, go to new generic material. You can set the color, whatever you want. From here, the image is very important. So as of now, I'm going to texture matte. Okay, so this is the texture matte material. Okay, so image fade, I want 100%. Okay, I want the 100% image only. It should be, obviously this is a wooden kind of thing, so set it as non-metallic. Okay, and from here you can name it wooden material. Okay, let's close it. So see, it is set. Now you can drag it here. Now it will look like purely wooden. See, it is looking like purely wooden. Okay, so this is how you can create a new material. Okay, so you can edit it from here, edit material. You can do whatever you want. You can increase or decrease the glossiness. Okay, like that. Okay, so this is it. Let us try to render that. Render to size. See, this is how it will look. Okay, now go to material browser again. We have wooden material. It is already done. If you want to do any more thing, you can add this tint, means it will look something like this. Okay, so some of the things by default it is there. You can show, you can adjust the reflectivity, transparency, some cutouts, self illumination. So that totally depends upon you. You can explore those things because those are very easy things. And from here you can see, means this particular thing, this is the demo, how your material will look like. So you can adjust the scene. Suppose you want sphere, it will look like this. If you want cube, it will look like this. If you want cylinder, it will look like this. So as of now, I will go to object. You can select the vase as well. It will look quite better. Okay, environment how you want. Okay, means it will change the effect of that color like that. So you can adjust all the things whatever you want. Okay, yes, I hope this is clear. Now one more option is left. So this is all about render. Generally we don't use rendering in AutoCAD because we have some more better softwares like 3ds Max, Maya, Inventor, like that. Okay, now let's move on this new thing, that is create camera in the visualize, or you can give in the command line camera. Once you go to camera, it will ask specify the location. See where you want to place the camera, because this is the it. Suppose I want to place my camera here. Okay. Now it will ask the target location. Suppose I want to see this thing. So you can click it here, see, and press enter. So if you click on the camera, it will show you the image. Go to realistic. Can you see this? See, it will show like this. Okay, you can change the position of the camera as well. Okay, suppose, see, we have the option to move it. This is how you can move your camera. Once you move your camera using gizmo, it will automatically change. Can you see that? Yes. So like this, it will work. Okay. So you can add multiple cameras as well. Using that, you can see all the things. I hope this is clear. So these are some very basic and simple things which are not generally used. Okay.